Hi everybody, it is Taylor, Starpil's lead educator, and today I'm going to go over troubleshooting our Pine Rosin-Free Blue Hard Wax formula. So I'm going to go over the meltdown process, the temperature, application, and consistency. So you are going to turn your warmer on, cut the temperature up all the way, and then you're going to fill up your warmer halfway. Let those beads melt down completely, and then start adding more wax beads to your warmer. All right guys, I have my warmer halfway filled up. I'm gonna let that melt down for about 15 or 20 minutes or so. And I'm gonna add in more wax beads to create that perfect consistency. All right guys, so this is what blue looks like when it is way too hot. The beads have completely melted down. Our Pine Rosin-Free Blue melts down a lot quicker than the other staple formulas, so just be aware of that. Start filling up my warmer, a scooper at a time, and just carefully stir that in and make sure you aren't being too aggressive because you don't want this wax or the beads to splash up in your face. The clumps are okay. You're just gonna stir them in and they will melt down as you fill your warmer up. Again, just be careful that the wax doesn't splash up in your face. I'm gonna fill up a little bit more and then I'll clean up these edges and then we will be good to go. So I'm gonna adjust the temperature into the working temperature, which is 70 degrees for this formula. And clean this up, and like I said, we'll be good to go, and we'll go over application and consistency. All right guys, so I got my blue down to the right consistency. So now I'm going to show you what proper application and improper application looks like. So you're going to take your spatula, come in at your warmer at a 45-degree angle, swirl and scoop. So you see you get the ball on that tip of the stick. It's not too far down. You're just going to keep twirling because if your wax is falling off of your stick, that means your wax is entirely too hot. So this is what you want it to look like before you apply to your client's body. All right guys, so now I'm going to show you correct application. Get my ball. So you're gonna come at a 90-degree angle, apply lots of pressure and pull that wax all the way down evenly. So you have a nice thick edge and a nice lip. So see you have even sides here, even side here, and a nice lip that you will just lift for removal. So now I'm gonna show you an incorrectly applied strip, even if it's with the right temperature wax. So if you come and you apply flat, you see you go short and you don't get an even edge. So you try to make that lip and it's just thin and brittle. And even if you go in and try to spread that, you don't get that thick, even lip. And when you try to remove this, 9 times out of 10, this whole section right here is gonna break. All right, guys, so I cooled the wax down to show you guys what the wax looks like when it's too cool. So when you go and make that ball, it'll look like this, and the color is even different. So if you see a bunch of strings, that is the first sign that your wax is too cool. And then when you go to twirl, it barely moves. And when you touch it, it's tacky just like that. This is how you know you need to adjust your temperature up just a little bit and make sure that you are stirring your warmer throughout your shift and throughout the service. All right, guys, I hope these tips help. As always, if you need any further assistance, give us a call, 305-907-0756 or info@starpilwax.com, and our product specialist will be more than happy to take care of you. Bye.